Mr. Mars, it's time for a car review, and actually, it's not time for a car review. It's time for a truck review, the 2025 Ram 1500.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and this year, for the 25, they have a new trim level called the Tungsten. So the Ram 1500 actually comes in 9 different trim levels, and we happen to have, it starts at the Bighorn down at the bottom. It goes all the way up again. The Tungsten is the new top trim level. 4x4, and it is a full-size pickup, 4-door crew cab. You can get the 1500. You can actually get 2 different bed lengths, but this is the 5-passenger luxury model. Now, on the exterior of it, you're going to find all kinds of things like the retracting door steps. You got the chrome mirrors, the folding electric folding, heated mirrors, rolling on some nice 22-inch wheels, and had some really nice ivory white paint on it that just really stands out in the bright sunshine. It really looks good. So you get to the inside of it, and you're going to see that they stepped up. They already had a really nice interior. They were known for the luxury interiors on their trucks, but this goes a step further. Leather seating, of course. Front and the rear seats are heated and ventilated.
Wow.
Now, the thing I really liked about the back of it, the rear seat area, the rear passenger area, it's got a flat floor in it. And it makes it a whole lot easier to put stuff back there. It makes it a whole lot easier to reach back behind the seat and move something around. But you really look at it and you raise the seat up, and you could do a lot of things back there with that flat floor.
Yeah.
Now, the other thing that was great, it comes standard with a 14.5-inch center stack screen. Now, this is the big tall one that you can do all kinds of things with, split it, and make multi-screens out of it. You're going to find all your convenience controls there, your nav, even your camera selection for your front and rear cameras. And also up front on the interior, you're going to find that it has the the front passenger screen interactive that they can use to get into it and do some things with it instead of messing with the center stack. And we had the digital rear view mirror, which is the camera shows up there, and you get your surround view and everything there. Also has the heads-up display and a 23-speaker sound system. Now, the Tungsten logo, I will say, it's got a real nice interior. At the top of the console, Ram's been known to put the Tungsten logo up there, or logos up there. This one, they put a Tungsten logo up there. Big, nice belt buckle looking thing that's got the VIN number on it. Very nice. Looks very nice. But if you leave it out in the driveway all day in the sun, do not lay your arm on top of that thing, or you will be a Tungsten fanboy from now on. Now, you get up there under the hood. So this is their new engine lineup, and it's a 6-cylinder, and in the work truck you can get a V6, but other than that, you're looking at a straight 6. So we had the 3.0.
What's wrong with that? Nothing wrong with that.
No, wait till
straight 6 engine. I love those.
Well, particularly these 3.0 liter. We had the straight 6 high output version. There's 2 different versions. So we had 540 horses, 521 pound-feet of torque out of this straight 6. So it's backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. So there is more than enough power there. In fact, there's so much power, the haul rating on this truck, as it came, was 2,300 pounds, and it will tow 11,580 pounds. So it's not quite as much as some of the others, but it's more than the average person is going to ever tow with a half-ton truck. Now, the EPA says you should be looking for around 17 miles to the gallon combined on this vehicle. Well, I drove it 312 miles, and I got 15.9. It is a lot of fun to drive. I had a lot of time inside the city. About a third of my mileage was inside the city. So you could probably do a little bit better than that if you drove it more like Don does. Now, the ride and drive on this vehicle, so I got out of the 2015 Ram truck that we used for the show. And I like driving it. It drives very good. It's got a sweet spot on the speed and everything. But I got into this one with the coil spring suspension, the air ride, the nice seats on it, the glass that dampens the sound, and it was so quiet. I was surprised at how much difference there was between a truck I liked and this truck that I got into that I fell in love with because of the way it rode, the way it handled, the things it would do. You could lower it to get in and out if you wanted to. It was just a lot of things on this truck I really liked. Now, the base model price for the new 1500 for the tradesman is $45,020. Base trim price on the Tungsten is $89,070.
Wow.
Now, the MSRP as tested, $91,085.
Oh, my God.
Now, you put that up against some of the others. If you looking at base price of the top trim levels, Ford F-150, the Platinum's up around $73,800. And this is 24 pricing. They haven't got their 25 pricing that I could find. The 24 Chevy Silverado, the High Country, is $66,500 to start. The 24 GMC Denali at $72,395 for the Sierra. So base starting, the base price on this Tungsten is a little bit higher than the others, but it's got lots of stuff in it. It's a really nice truck if you're looking for something that's more of a luxury family truck instead of a work truck.
$91,000.
I like it. It's a big truck.
Big, nice truck. And like I say, with that flat floor in the back, you can pull it up. You can put a bunch of cargo in there, a bunch of stuff in there.
Bunch of kids with a mattress.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. You could do that too.
Music equipment.
So
Or
that's
just
my
music.
report of the 2025
Right.
Ram 1500 Tungsten.
Thank you. If you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. The address is info@inwheeltime.com. And be sure to follow us on Facebook. We are back after these quick messages. The original...